Hi there, I'm Alex Quach. I'm Vice President of the Wireline and Core Division at Intel, and I'm here with Henrik Jardle, who's Head of Product Management, Packet 4 at Ericsson. Welcome, Henrik.
Thank you, Alex.
We've made a lot of progress in a year.
We sure did.
I remember last year speaking with you about looking at the early results around the Intel Xeon 6 with E-cores with Ericsson's Packet Core. Maybe can you comment a little bit about the progress that we've made so far?
Yeah, I mean, we made great progress in our joint test results, both when it comes to performance for various aspects, but also time to market with getting these servers out.
And this was something that was really important for the service providers to shorten the time to market. They always want the access to the latest technology,
Yeah.
and power efficiency.
I mean, they stand when they do their upgrade and expansions. They do that for a certain amount of time, right? There are years between the big steps. So getting time to market and getting the latest technology out is really important when they have the big steps. And then when they have opportunity to scale, they really want to have the latest versions because
Right.
to get best TCO out of that.
Right. And talking about TCO, can you maybe comment about the actual sort of the results that you guys are seeing so far that Ericsson see?
Yeah, for sure. So if we look at just capacity or efficiency per server, it's like 3.8 times better compared to generation 2. If you look at what the throughput per watt and so on, right? So it's a lot. And when it comes to capacity as such, it's like 5 times. It's
Right.
really, really good.
And how does that performance per watt and capacity translate into site deployments at service providers?
Yeah. So, I mean, it means that you can deploy the capacity you need with so much fewer servers. The biggest part is really when you reduce the server count for energy consumption as well, right? Because CPU, of course, the improvement we are doing is significant when energy efficiency. But if you can take out the whole server, then the energy efficiency is even more.
Yes, both from a capital expenditure and operational expenditure perspective.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Henrik, we've also done some optimizations with Ericsson's Packet Core software. Can you say a few words about that?
Yes, it's clear that, I mean, we have worked on software optimization on our part, and we see that our joint efforts with the things that you have improved, our software scales very well with your high capacity servers that you have right now, and we get 5 gigabits per second out of a core. That's really, really good numbers.
And what was like any reference as to improvements from previous generations?
Yeah, I mean, we're references. I have to clarify that.
So you're saying we're at 5x?
Yes, of course, in relation to generation 2.
Got it.
And the
Got it,
reason
got
we're
it.
talking about generation 2 is that most of our customers have that deployed widely globally, right? So
Yes.
what most will see is that step, which is really significant.
A very significant step. Yeah. No, that's great. And so how do you see, what we're doing together evolving in the future?
We will continue working on these things. One thing I didn't say that I would like to add is, if you look at the reference deployment, with our compact packet core that we bring to the market right now, I was talking about in reducing server counts, generation 2 to generation 5. It's like from 18 servers to 5.
Wow.
That's a huge difference. Yeah, so to put it in a context, right, for a capacity of a medium-sized operator and so on, so it's a big difference. And we will, of course, continue to work on these throughput and energy efficiency improvements,
Of course.
but also look around the corner. There are other more important characteristics for next generation of use cases like XR with low latency and enterprise-related use cases, where I look forward to collaborate with Intel and you.
Yes, it's been a phenomenal collaboration, and we really look forward to it.
I agree.
Great.
Thank
All
you very
right.
much.
Thank you very much.